the club we've here. This is Club Pleasure. Inside New Britain, DJ Spawn is on the set right now. And right now, we just entered, it's about 10, let me see, what time is it? 10:18. So things just started, we just started. As you can see on the dance floor, I'm about to show you. See on the dance floor, nobody in here. The parking lot is looking real crazy right now. The club is big. I'll get right back to you and show you how we do inside here. Get busy. Georgia Boy Entertainment, shout out the whole CCSU. Shout out to the whole New Britain, Hartford, Connecticut. Shout out to the whole CT inside of the place. Shout out to the whole cut, you know what I mean? Show y'all one scan around the place, show you how they get down and thing, and I showed you forward. Bless up.